superb at shutting teams down.
Davis takes that one to the gap in left center field. He got a lot of it. And goodbye home run. Chris Davis the other way. So the left-hander comes on to get Davis, and instead Davis ties the game up with a homer at 5-5. Chris Davis is up. He launched the home run in the 7th inning that got this ball game tied. Davis to center. Villar's trying to line it up for a throw. Rickards coming to the plate and will score. And the Orioles take the lead. Davis with a sacrifice fly, and the Orioles are up 6-5.